In today's video, I will show you a few companies with the help of which you can get first online income as a total beginner without complicated methods. These are simple ways to earn extra money which will not take too much time. So, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect weekly videos on internet earnings and make money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, CPA marketing, cryptocurrencies, forex trading and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There will be some news on the channel soon, so be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out these important updates. Today we are talking about simpler methods for making extra money online. The first website for today is UTest. Links to all websites and apps will be pinned to you as always in the first comment of this video. By applying on this website, you are joining the largest tester community in the world. What's great about this website is that by doing their job, you not only earn extra money but also develop new skills by helping world-famous companies. How does UTest work? In order not to waste time on too long explanation, simply go to How UTest Works section on the website and watch this video tutorial. All you have to do to sign up is click on the Become a UTester button and then you will fill out a 4-step form. You will leave your data, answer a few questions such as how many and which devices you have when it comes to phones, computers, headphones, gaming consoles and so on. That way they can send you all the jobs for which you can be a perfect match. Also, when you go to projects, you can see which projects they currently have, how urgent they are and which people they are looking for. Some of these projects are worldwide and some are location based. What is important to emphasize is that some projects, although they are worldwide, will have special requirements, and that is why it's important, as we just mentioned, that in the application you list all the things you're asked in detail so that you have a better chance of applying for more projects. What is also great is that if you miss a project or overlook it, people from the UTest platform will regularly send you emails for jobs they think you are qualified based on your qualification form. The next website for today is YellowPong.com. This is also a company where you can apply to become a tester. Some of the companies that work with this platform are Dropbox, Nestle, TransferWise, Zapier, Skyscanner and so on. When you scroll a little more, you can read what it is that you will be able to do within the company, like user interviews, usability tests, case studies and so on. If you want to apply for a tester, all you have to do is scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Get Paid to Test button. A new page will open where you can explain how you can join the global tester community and of course make money. Before clicking on the Become a Tester button, scroll a little more and read more about the job itself. As you can see, you will be paid between 10 and 100 euros for each session you complete. And below you can read their only requirements, and that is to have a computer or laptop with a microphone and camera and a stable internet connection. Their sessions are one-on-one where you share your screen and honestly express your opinion about the website you are on, on the website that they gave you to test as a user. Below the requirements section, you can read the payment scale. So 15 euros for a 30-minute video call, 30 euros for a 60-minute video call, and they even have special case studies for which you can get up to 200 euros. Finally, you have a step-by-step explanation of the process from your application to the platform to the payment of money, which takes place 2 to 3 days after you end the session. And the best part is that they are using our favorite payment processor, and that is PayPal. So click on the Become a Tester button and fill out the application. The next company in this field is respondent.io. This company will pay you for your opinion when it comes to any areas related to your profession and knowledge. This platform pays the most, and when you go to participants, you can read what occupations they're looking for when it comes to testers and how much money they pay. What's great is that this company also pay via PayPal. Also on this page you can see what are the steps you need to take to apply. Also what this company offers when you log into your dashboard is the referral option. This means that if you have someone who would like to do this type of job and sign up through your link, you will get money every time he earns a certain amount of money. You can look at this as some form of affiliate marketing. I will now log into my dashboard and show you how much the company pays for certain jobs. Most of these jobs are of course remote and you can apply for any that you consider that suits your profession. If you want to participate in any of these projects, click on the project and apply. For all those who stayed until the end, we have a small bonus which is more user testing platforms. However, we won't put that links in the comment, but we will place it at the end of the description so only people who watch the whole video can find it and use it. That would be all for this amazing video. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about new different ways and strategies to make money online working from your home. Thanks everyone who watched this video. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. If you want to be a part of it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash the like button, because that way we will reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm to rank our video. Also make sure to turn on the notification bell, because that way I can send you a notification every time I upload a brand new awesome strategy like this one, so you won't miss out. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, because once we reach 1000 followers, I will be giving away $100 PayPal giveaway money. Until the next video, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!